Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Isaiah 43:19. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty for Ashes. I am your girl Portia P, and this is my channel. Welcome. So if you are new here, please make sure you stop and go make sure you subscribe to my channel, please. I would so appreciate it if you would go do that for me. Let's get into our video, y'all. Come on. So guys, this is a wig from Amazon that I'm going to be reviewing today. And this one is a glueless wig. This is human hair, and the name of it is KEUET, I think is how you spell it. So I'll put it like right here or over here somewhere where you can see the name and the picture of the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. These wigs come in dark, blonde, highlight, black and brown, and it also comes in jet black. It comes in all colors of your choice. You know, they have a variety, but I got jet black, and the length that I have is a 24-inch length. And I am currently trying to go back on here and see if I can find the picture for this wig. And I got the picture for it, but I'm not seeing a 24-inch when I go back on the Amazon site. All I'm seeing is 20. All I'm seeing right here on the site is 22-inch, 26-inch, and a 28-inch, and it's no 24 inches. So I don't know if they're out of it or what, but mine is C. It's a 24-inch. I don't know, like, why is it not showing up on the Amazon site? I don't know, but you know, you're more than welcome to get you another length that you want to get. But we're gonna go ahead and try this wig on. Before we do that, I'm gonna let you know it comes with goodies. It has like a little note card of thanks in it right there. I got a little messed up. Gives you all of your instructions on what to do, how to wash it, how to check the length. This wig is a 9x6 HD lace front closure straight wig and glueless wig for women, natural black, 24-inch. Okay. I don't know why that's not showing up right, but we're gonna go and try it on. Let me tell you what all come in the bag. So you get a comb. I don't know what I did with the comb. Okay, you get a comb, you get a stocking cap. You get a stocking cap in the bag, and you also get a scrunchie. Even though I like the one I got better, like this, it's all right. Like, now I got two, and you get you a edge gel brush to come on with it. So you know what? Let's go ahead and get right on into this. So the stocking caps, I'm using the ones that came in the bag. Also, I'm not doing a ball cap method. This is just strictly putting the stocking cap on, and I'm just gonna put the wig on, and I might not even style it. It depends, okay? And another thing too, I have been planning this wig already, put it on, so I got to brush it really quick before I put it on for y'all. So just give me a second. Mad long, really, really long. This is the 24-inch, okay? This is how it looks in the inside. You don't get much play around room, okay? And so yeah, that's how much I mean, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent to get you a little side part. You have your band. Of course, you know I'm a fan of these. A band to keep your wig in place so it don't move. You have one comb at the nape. You have right here on the side. So I will tell y'all this, ladies, it is not big hair friendly. Let me just go off the rip and tell y'all that it is not big hair friendly. The hair is very silky. It kind of gives, like, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of giving like synthetic. It's really, really giving synthetic. It's giving the synthetic feel to me. You know, that's just how I feel. You're gonna need your band because it's so, the head structure on this is so tiny. I have a pretty a big head. I got a big head, okay? And yeah, so if you got a small head, you'll be good. But if you got a big head like me, yeah, baby, you got to get your bigger size. And from what I'm looking at on the site, you can get like size. No, it doesn't give you a bigger size. Also, the price of this is $66.99. I forgot to say that in the beginning. I just feel like it's loose. I feel like it's loose. I am not digging how loose homegirl is. She's loose. And it's giving, what's the name? Ooh, okay. It's much tighter now, y'all. I tightened that band up and it is much tighter, if y'all can see. Okay, so this is how it looks. On my scalp. I'm not digging this. It's very tight, y'all. Very, very tight. And even with it looking like this is giving what's the Addams Family? That's what it's giving for me. The hair is very silky. See that? Yeah. Oops. It's giving very Addams Family though. I like it. It's really cute. Just trying to think, honey, like how we're gonna do this. I just feel like that lighting is so bright over there. So bright. It's like loose at the back of my neck. It's loose. But, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm pulling mine to the side, y'all. I know. That's much better. So if you're having an issue like me with having a big head, just pull it to the side. Pull homegirl to the side. We're gonna get in where we fit in with her, because apparently, if you're looking for a quick and simple wig, this is, you know, it's cute. I like it. There we go. I didn't want to do like just a simple side part. So another thing too, guys, I would recommend that you wash this wig before you put it on. I'm just giving y'all the details on how it fits and how it look on the actual head. I will be washing this wig afterwards. I probably should have did it before, but yeah. So y'all, I went off the camera and I did a side swoop because I just really felt like it just wasn't fitting my hair correctly. But I used this right here. Y'all know which one I be using. This is the only one I use. I'm sure there's some more nice ones out there that you can use. You can get that off of Amazon or out of your local beauty supply store. But yeah, this is what I have gotten so far, and I really don't, you know, I'm not digging it so much. It's like, I don't want to have to get a wig and do a lot with. Like, I want to get a wig and put it on and like go about my business. And see, I don't want to put that comb on the side of my hair and then pull my hair out. You know. So what my main goal here today is to let you guys see if it's worth getting. Now, yes, it is definitely worth getting. I like it, but the human wig, it better fit my hair correctly. I don't like having to put a wig on and it's too little for my head, and now I'm having to worry about readjusting my wig to fit my head, let alone styling it. So that's a big no-no. I did hit it with the flat irons, and it do flat iron. It does really well with that. It kind of gives it a, you know, and I'm gonna test it to see how does it do with the curl. So that's what I'm here for, to let y'all know, should you not get it. So we're gonna test it and see how it do with the curl, because sometimes you can get a human hair wig and they're not, yeah, they don't even hold up their curl. So yeah, I'm just hitting it with the flat iron just to see if it's gonna curl. She curls. That's pretty. Now I'm sure if I did a head full of curls, it will curl. So she does curl, okay? I was a little disappointed at first, but as now I'm seeing how she curled, and I'm like, okay, I can get down with it. You do a whole bunch of curls like that in this hair will be beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna curl the whole thing, because I feel like that's pretty. That's really beautiful. It's pretty. I like it. I'm gonna show y'all the length of it's long. It's really, really long. But yeah, you can curl it. That curl is staying too, honey. It's not going nowhere. It's staying. See? Still there. But yeah, so would I recommend this wig? It would be like one of my last choices. It would not be one of my first. Let me just say that. It would not be one of my first. And it's not even staying on my head right now. That's the crazy thing. It's not even staying on my head, but it would not be my first go-to. One of my other wigs that I have that is by another brand on my page, that would be my first choice over this one. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, but I'm not a fan of the fitting of the caps. It's really, really small. Really, really small and a bit stringy, and she does shed. She does shed and get tangly. And this is human hair. This is supposed to be human hair. I mean, it is human hair. Y'all saw I curled it, but yeah. So this is her.